Lucy, what's wrong? You don't like that peanut straw?
It's in our world famous batter for a tasty crunch. Only bite size. Get them for just $3.99. At Long John Silver, we speak thick.
Baby, what's wrong? I bought you that toy. I bought you a peanut straw. What's wrong, baby? Don't hide behind your tent.
To find the right lid every time, try the Rubbermaid Easy Lid System. Now available in
Baby.
you can enjoy everything you love about it. And stay on
Baby, it's just a straw. It's just a peanut straw.
Easy sale prices. Every bed and bedroom, every
Your brother doesn't care. You don't care, do you? Baby, calm down. What's wrong, baby? Huh?
Here's how to order.
Call 1-800-493-3180.
Baby.
Handle a rather long road trip.
Baby. Hugo. Calm down. Come here, baby. Baby, it's just a straw. Baby.
only on Animal
You want me to get rid of it, huh? Baby, what's wrong with your brother, huh? What's wrong with your brother? Hugo, come here. Come here, baby.
His tracks. Smart, can you come over and sit next to me?
Baby. Come out of your tent. Come here.